This is the video how to charge the mobile phone by using Osmo Mobile 3. So you can see here the cable is connected to mobile phone and it's here, it's connected here. Okay, as you can see here now, the drone is not charged, the mobile phone is not charging. Okay, what you need to do, you need to press this button, and now the mobile phone is starting to charge. Thank you.